pumpkin of the world. No, I can do this. Carry 3 pumpkins at I can do this.
You're very strong, huh?
Yeah, I can
What about you, Nick?
carry a pumpkin.
What are you doing, Nick?
Carrying 3 pumpkins at a time.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, take me a picture. Did you see that? Where's my pumpkin?
No, eso tengo que ver los privados. Mira ese avión. Va a ir como a ver.
Yo estoy bien.
Míralo.
Daddy, look, you see that?
Ahora te rompe la bola.
Daddy, look, I have super strength.
Sí. No grites, papi.
Hey, hey,
Love
hey,
it.
hey.
Let's try to find a really dodge it.
Yay! Ooh.
Fun. That was fun, right?
Smell like animal here.
Yeah. It's not like dead animals.
What?
Want to know something?
Tell me. Guess what you gotta tell me.
We had to take off our glasses before we went on the balcony.
You may probably fly off your head.
Well, please don't do that today. Oh, it smells like
It's a mooga. Oh, how cute they are.
that burned us.
Do you wanna go on this one?
Yeah.
Big one?
This one? Yeah. Here's my sweater.
Mom wanted him to jump. Roy just had to.
Dad!
Hey.
Look at this. Nice flip.
All right, who's next?
Come on, let's go. No. No, we only got one ticket. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah! Good job!
3, go.
Whoa!
Awesome.
Good job, Maya. Good job.
Nice! That was exciting.